On September 8, 1900, a catastrophic event struck Galveston, Texas, marking it as the deadliest natural disaster in American history. Known as the Galveston hurricane, the storm claimed the lives of an estimated 6,000 to 12,000 people when it devastated the city. Galveston was a thriving port city at the time, but the hurricane almost completely destroyed it, dramatically altering its course in history. The powerful winds and storm surge engulfed the city, demolishing buildings and flooding streets. Due to the limited meteorological technology of the time, residents were largely unaware of the hurricane's severity, leaving them vulnerable to the storm's full impact. The Galveston hurricane profoundly shocked American society and became a pivotal moment in the development of hurricane preparedness and weather forecasting technology. After the disaster, Galveston undertook significant efforts to rebuild, though it took many years to recover fully.